Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Narali back here again with another video for you guys, and today's video is actually going to be a video that I was low-key inspired by. Well, I was scrolling down my Instagram feed and I saw this girl, and I'll put her name right here. It's like Faza_MUA, and she did more detailed looks because, you know, I was doing these sport classes, so basically I just did the rainbow throughout the week. So each day I was a different color. Today I'm purple, as you guys can see, and you guys will see in the video. But I had a lot of fun filming this video. I woke up extra early for you guys, and I did the makeup looks. One thing I did realize is that I need to expand because I never do makeup looks that are colorful. So I need to get more colored palettes because it was kind of hard doing some of them. And also I'm at school, so I don't even have all my palettes with me. I just brought like one colorful palette, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna use this. And then I was like, damn, I could have used this other palette that I have. But yeah, that was that. My favorite look, I think, was definitely the green one. I like the eyes, the way that looked. And then my favorite outfit was the purple, but then I also did like the red makeup because the red makeup, I don't know, I just like the way everything looks together, and it was like such a bold color. So yeah, but enough of me talking. If you guys want to see all the looks that I got, then let's just jump right into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little. Brian Little.
Jacklyn.
That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun filming these videos. I woke up extra early because, you know, I never be waking up that early. I'd be waking up like 15 minutes before class, and I'm like, you know, show up as it is. But I woke up extra early for you guys, and I filmed this video, and honestly I felt kind of cute while I had these makeup looks. The purple one took me a little extra. It wasn't straight through because last Friday I was just stressing, and I was like, yo, I'm tired, so I didn't do the makeup look. I didn't do the purple like right after. But yeah, if you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this, just make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon down there to get notified every time I post. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.